I don't even know if they make this Bobbi Boss wig anymore, but I had it in the closet and I've never taken it out of the pack. So I figured why not just try it? So we're gonna try it and see how it goes. I already cut the lace off. I don't wanna waste your time with that part. You know how to do that. HD Ultra Scalp Illusion 13x7 Deep Lace Medifresh Safe and Clean Cap. Advanced protection against pathogens and UV. I must have bought this during yeah. Because what wig do you know has all that? It's like, is it gonna make me look good? That's the question. Here she is in all her glory. Lace is cut and ready to go. I'm gonna put her on and see what she do. I'm going against the grain and using powder on my wig. I usually always spray them, but I have a meeting and I don't have time to waste, so I'm just gonna powder this sucker. I don't ever really think that it does what it needs to do, but I'm just gonna try it, okay? We're trying. And we're getting a lot of powder on the hairline. Not a professional. And I don't know, am I gonna do a little leave out on this? I think I may. I mean, I'm doing all this powdering to this lace. I probably should just try to leave it as it is and not leave any leave out. I tried to find the fluffiest brush that I could so it wouldn't get so cakey in here when I'm doing it. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know if that makes sense. I'm just trying to look good. Now, for reference, she is using the Maybelline Fit Me, and this is in the color 360 Mocha. Did I just refer to myself in the third person? It's been a long week, and it's not over. Oh, I missed cutting some of the lace here. Daggone it. That's gonna look cuckoo. Do I have time to cut it? I don't think I have time to cut it. I think we're just gonna have to go with cuckoo. And I'll get a little bit in here too. This is where it gets crazy, folks. This whole perimeter in here, this area. That's a lot to cover. That's a lot to cover. I don't have time to cover that. That's a lot of lace. That's a lot of lace. I appreciate them. Okay, Bobbi Boss. I haven't bought a Bobbi Boss wig. Like I said, this purchase. Like, where was I going? Outside? Nowhere, but I have time to look for my other wig cap. We're just going to use the first one we could find. Okay, this guy has the elastic strap in the back and lots of lace. Like I said, it's 13x7. It says it's deep lace. And then it's got two combs on the side, one on the back. And you know we don't use those combs. We don't do that. So let's get into this and see what it does. I have not worn this before, so whatever it looks like when it comes up, you may have to forgive me, because sometimes it does look a little crazy at first. Oh. She's a pretty girl. I like it. Okay, but I gotta... Oh, and she's right side parted already. So what are we doing here? I really like this, but I have, like I said, I think I want to comb. Do I want to comb the curls out? I like these curls. Oh my. Just a little bit. Okay. All right. I'm gonna tweak the front a little bit. I think I may have to do some leave out because I'm in a hurry. But this is what the lace is looking like after the little bit of application I did. It's still a little dusty, so that ain't gonna work. We'll see. Okay, so I pulled out some leave out, and I'm gonna put the clips underneath my wig grip. Remember, Mary Kay taught us that trick. I always want to go to the other side with my... I'm a left side girl. I don't know why. I just am. I love it. I love the left side. Or do we like the right side better here? I don't know. What do you think? Left or right? Are you a left side part or a right side part? I'm Tell me. Okay, I think I'm gonna try this way. I like her. Why did it take me 3 years to pull this wig out of the box? That's stupid. I like this wig. Oh, now I gotta run online and see if they still have her. You know how they do. They get you all hyped up and excited and then they just stop selling the dang thing. All right, if I can find it, I'm gonna give you a link for it and I'm gonna let you know because this, look at, oh, that needs to be a thumbnail for something. I don't know for what, but I love it. I love it. I love it. Bobbi Boss. Oh, you used to be my main chick. Okay, yeah, it's good. It's good. Let me know what you think. Is it good? Oh, girl, don't be getting crazy because you know you didn't leave any hair out on the sides. Watch yourself. Okay. We won't go through any, wind tunnels or get a good breeze going. We'll just, all right. Okay, sugar. Let me know what you think.